Hi there. In the previous lecture, we looked at linking our menu items to blog posts that contain the category in the menu item. In this lecture, I want to clean up and make our blog website a little bit more robust. So one of the things that I would like to do is to change this category field. So if we go back to our admin area, so that it can have more than one category attached to a blog post. So the way that we would do that is add something called a many-to-many field. Now, this is a common database terminology used to describe where one particular model or table has a relationship to another model or table, where one post, for this example, one post can have many categories the same way that a category can have many posts. Um, so let's add that quickly, and then maybe this will become a little bit clearer if you're not entirely getting the gist of what I'm saying. So the other way to do that is to add a many to many field. So now I'm replacing our foreign key field with a many to many field, and that is literally the only thing that I need to do here. Just remembering though that we will now need to make a database migration from our models to cater for this. So let's go back to our server that's running. Let's stop the server, and now we're going to run python manage.py, and then we're going to say make migrations. And what I want to do is actually call the app as well as we have been doing in the past. So make migrations, and then the app is blog. Great. Post has null effect on many categories. Okay, we don't need to worry about that. It's still successfully created the migrations for us, and now we actually want to make the migration. So we go actually do the migration. So migrate blog. Fantastic, and it is successfully creating that migration. So now if we had to, just remember to run our server again, python.run server, if we had to refresh our admin area, what you would now see is that we can link our blog post to more than one category. So it says here, hold down Control or Command on a Mac to select more than one. So I'm going to hold down Command, and I can now select both blog posts. So if we go to the front end of our site and we click on, this is not working, let's save this and see what happens. I suspect that what might be happening is the many-to-many relationship might be breaking it a bit. News has got hello world, where there has also got hello world. Oh, there we go. It's because hello world has been added to both, but it's reset our fields now. So if I save this now, another post should also fall under both. Great. And this is working exactly how we want it to work. So just to give you a final example, just so that we know this is working, I'm going to add news only to our admin post. So now what you need to remember about this is that before you start adding large collections of information to your database, first get your structure right, because otherwise you're going to need to repopulate a lot of your database. So weather has now only got two because we only added lorem ipsum to news. And if we go to news, you'll see that news now has 3 posts. Fantastic. That is exactly what we want to do. In the next lecture, I'll be discussing how to add images to our blog posts. Great, see you then.